Orman Botanic Garden is one of the biggest and most important gardens in the world, founded by Khedive Ismail 1910. It was created as a royal park so that the Khedive can collect the most unique plants from all over the world. The garden covers about 28 acres. Today the garden contains a herbarium building, a rock garden, a rose garden, cactus gardens, and probably the most notable feature, the lotus pond. Orman is originally a Turkish word which means the forest. The Spring Festival starts every year starting March the 22nd. The Spring Festival is held at Orman Garden. During that time, many companies exhibit their various plant offerings, including ornamental plants, cut flowers, cactus, seeds for growing many plants, fertilisers and pots. It is a commercial event where the biggest companies rent places in the garden to portray their work. It attracts many people since it portrays beautiful sceneries. This year marks its 95th celebration.
حبيب لحبيب يكون معنا وصلوا قريب شوف الزهور وتعال